Today we are going to start a chapter, Understanding Marginalization. But before starting to our chapter, Understanding Marginalization, we should have a concept that is very clear. What is marginalization? Marginalization means having two words in added, margin and lined up. When we are considering some people or individual group as different from us, like a situation in which an individual or group of individuals deprived of certain privileges. Privileges means some rights, some values, some authorities which has been allotted by the government or treated differently. They are not respected equally. That is called treated differently. Now, what are these types of spheres where we are differentiating these, what we consider as marginalized? What are the spheres? Basically, they are marginalized in every sphere of life. But basically, we are dealing there with social, economic and political life. Social, ऊंच नीच का difference जब हम करते हैं, like rich and poor. Economic, same rich and poor, but social rich and poor plus when we are differentiating them high society, low society, or in the previous time period when you have seen the Varna system where they are considered as Brahmins, Kshatriyas, Vaishyas and Shudras. Politically, when they are not being given each and every right that is provided by the government, for suppose because they are belonging to some marginalized group or low society group, they cannot stand as a candidate contesting elections. Secondly, they may be considered as like their rights are not so important and so their voting is also not important. So their votes can be easily purchased. Like their votes can be easily purchased by the powerful candidate. Their votes can be purchased by paying money to them, showing some greediness or something like that. So these are political framework where they have been discriminated. Like STs, scheduled caste, scheduled tribes, other backward classes and minorities. Now STs and STs, these are the created groups by us only. We have considered them as STs and SCs and OBCs because in the previous time period, ancient time period, we have been dividing our society into 4 groups. Now we may not be following those 4 groups in the same consideration manner, but yes, we have bifurcated them as per our convenience. हम उन चीज़ों को नहीं फॉलो कर रहे होंगे लेकिन अपनी कन्वीनियंस के अकॉर्डिंग हमने इनका नाम बदल दिया. Adivasis. The first group which we are going to study is Adivasis. Adivasis are about 8%. Like nearly they are having 500 groups in different territories of India, different states of India. States can be Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh and many more areas. Basically because these people are the dwellers of forest. These people normally are dependent, their livelihood is totally dependent on forest. So wherever they get a dense forest dwelling, they stay back there. So these are the natives of forest. Now the areas of Adivasis, same I told you, different territories which they are occupying in India. They worship their ancestors' village and spiritual powers. Like us, we have god and goddesses like Shiva, Lord Shiva is there, Ma Lakshmi is there, Durga is there. We pray these gods. But coming to the Adivasis, they have their own spiritual gods whom they pray. They pray their ancestors, they pray their trees, some plants, some animals are considered as their god. They pray them. Similarly, they have their own language. You are not able to understand what they speak. Similarly, they are not able to understand what we are speaking. So they have their own language code, their own sign languages, whatever they write is different formatted. For example, Santhali. This is an example of a language which Santhal people living speak out. What is stereotyping now? Stereotyping, when we have fixed an image in our mind, these people belong to this type only. Like we have stereotyped our thoughts when we consider Adivasis. Quickly concept strikes in our mind. Adivasis, अच्छा वो जो कलरफुल ड्रेस पहनते हैं, डिफरेंट कॉस्ट्यूम्स पहनते हैं, बहुत सारी एसेसरीज उनकी बॉडी में होती है, माला होती है बड़ी बड़ी, एंड डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ ड्रेस दे आर वेयरिंग, always dancing and pleasure and pop and enjoying everything. As soon as the Adivasi word is there, this clicks in our mind कि वो लोग कैसे हैं. Stereotype, because we have fixed this type of impression or thought in our mind. So the word clicks and the picture moves in our mind. Forests play a major role in their life because these are the forest dwellers. So their life starts and ends with the forest. They have a very deep knowledge of the forest. They can seep into the dense forest like a snake seeping into the hole. Because of this quality, what the forest dwellers or the Adivasis have, many of the bigger kings, queens, emperors took their help to get into the benefits of the forest, to get into the needs and the requirements which forest can fulfill of them. Many great dynasties depended on them, but now they are considered as marginalized. When they are the king of the forest, how can they be marginalized? अगर मैं किसी देश में राजा या रानी हूँ तो मैं मार्जिनलाइज कैसे होगी, मेरा एक स्टेटस लेवल हो जाएगा. बट नाउ दीज पीपल आर मार्जिनलाइज. व्हाट इज द रीजन? बेसिकली द रीजन इज डेवलपमेंट. नाउ वर्ड डेवलपमेंट, व्हेन वी आर कंसिडरिंग डेवलपमेंट, यानी कि हम कुछ अच्छा सीखते हैं, अच्छा कुछ करते हैं और हम लोग तरक्की करते हैं. इज दिस डेवलपमेंट फॉर आदिवासीज? हमारे लिए डेवलपमेंट है कुछ तरक्की करना, टू गेन समथिंग, टू अपग्रेड आवरसेल्फ. और आदिवासीज तो अपग्रेड नहीं हुए, वो तो और भी कम हो गए, मार्जिनलाइज हो गए. व्हाई? व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ डेवलपमेंट फॉर देम? फॉर देम डेवलपमेंट मीन्स they are thrown out of the forest. Clearing of the forest to make industries, clearing out of the forest to make railway tracks, clearing out of the forest for the construction of buildings, to fulfill our needs. We are taking away the needs of the Adivasis, forest dwellers. So they are marginalized. They don't have any place to live. They don't have anything to survive. So for survival, they have marched towards cities or villages, urban and rural. They divided themselves into urban and rural. जंगल को छोड़कर उन्हें अर्बन और रूरल एरियाज में आकर रहना पड़ा. So development, forest cleared, they were displaced. मेरे घर को कोई तोड़ेगा तो मुझे नया घर ढूंढना पड़ेगा. Same with the forest dwellers also. They were hunters, gatherers, shifting cultivators. They used to enjoy their life. In a forest, they used to enjoy their life because वो उनका घर था. With a development word, they did not develop. They were marginalized. Now, Odisha, Andhra, Chhattisgarh and many more territorial areas where they used to live were overthrown from these areas. अब वो कहाँ जाएंगे? So they came to different societies. They led a miserable life in cities. 35% in cities and 45% in rural areas. They settled there. But the person who is having an habit to live in a wide and open area has to get it compacted in a small room or a simple locality. आज़ादी से जिसको घूमने फिरने की आदत हो, उसको एक कॉम्पैक्ट कमरे में बंद कर दिया जाए तो द पर्सन विल फील सफोकेटेड. दिस वॉज विद द आदिवासीज ऑल्सो. बट नो सोल्यूशन. वी कैंट फाइंड सोल्यूशंस. Coming to the minority groups, what we have done earlier, Minority groups, when we talk about minority, minority means who are less in numbers. Different societies who are less in numbers, like Hindus are at the maximum ratio when we are talking about Hindu or Indian. Minorities in India, there are so many groups which are in minority or less in number as compared to Hindus. Now we are taking the example of Muslims. Like Muslim community, they are less in number in India. But it doesn't mean that if they are in minority, the majority can bully them. It's nothing like that. Our constitution is providing them a safeguard because constitution gives you right to equality. When you having a support of right to equality, on having a back support of it, nobody can discriminate you on the basis of like majority and minority column. So constitution is giving them a support, giving equality before law, right to vote, equal right to vote you are having, maybe whatever community caste you are belonging to. So they are provided developmental activities. Activities, they have been given equal share in the education system. They have been given equal share in the job facilities. Maybe the little bit more priority they are having. They are having privilege. When we talk about privilege, तो maybe इनको कुछ extra privileges मिली हो because they are minority. They may not feel themselves aloof, alienated. उनको ये महसूस नहीं होना चाहिए कि जो ज़्यादा मेजॉरिटी है उनके मुकाबले इनको साइड में कर दिया. So they should not feel alienated. So government is providing them many facilities in education system, job orientation, college admissions, cutout values, and everything is provided to these groups. Only because the development of these minorities or what we called as marginalized group does not get stagnated. ये वहीं पर ना रुक कर रह जाए, थोड़ा आगे बढ़े. So our government is providing many facilities and still are providing more and more facilities to these minority groups. Thank you. Have a